Hello friends, in this video I am going to tell you certain things which you should avoid when you are investing in the stock market. The first thing is, when you start investing in the stock market, you will start getting messages, SMS and calls also from various random people, unknown companies, especially from Indore, recommending you to buy certain stocks, buy intraday, you can make profits of 2000 rupees, 3000 rupees intraday, or buy this now, sell this now. So a lot of information or spamsters will be calling you and messaging you. The important thing is, don't ever fall in the trap of these people. So don't invest based on the tips or some random unknown people who are calling you and telling you to invest in shares of one particular company. Don't ever invest in these shares. Okay, I will also tell you my own experience. There was a share which I bought somewhere in October 2020 of a company called Vishal Fabrics. And that time I was getting messages from some random companies like this, okay, telling to buy these shares. That time the price was 330, 340, okay, but I did not immediately buy the shares. I was waiting for 4-5 days, just tracking the shares, what is happening to the share, and from 330 it slowly went to 350. So then after 5 to 6 days, then I thought, okay, let me just invest 5,000 rupees. And I invested without doing research about that company, without seeing what the company is actually doing. What happened after I invested 5,000 rupees, 1 or 2 days it increased to from 350 to 360, 365. Then I thought of selling the share at maybe 370, 375. But suddenly there was a huge crash in this share price, in the share price of this company. So from 370, it came down to 100 rupees in a matter of 2 to 3 days. There was a big sell-off which had happened in this company share. Some bulk shares were sold by whoever, I don't know, in the stock market, because of which the share price crashed. And right now it is at 67 rupees. So this is my own experience which I'm telling you. Even after knowing this, I did this kind of a mistake. So don't fall into the traps of these people. Second thing is, don't invest just because some big investors like Rakesh Jhunjhunwala, R.K. Damani have invested in one particular company. Because you don't know what is their investment strategy, for how long they are going to invest, when they will sell. Okay, their strategy will be different from yours. So just because a big investor has invested in one particular company, don't invest blindly based on that particular person. Third thing is, which I want to tell, don't buy penny stocks. Penny stocks are those shares of a company which are having a market price of 3 rupees, 4 rupees, 5 rupees, and the market capitalization is also 100 crores, 120, 130 crores. Okay, lot of people have this thinking that I will buy 5 rupees, there's a stock of a company of 5 rupees, I'll buy 10,000 quantities, even if it increases 1 rupee, I'll make huge gains. But no, don't go for that strategy, because it is very risky. If the price goes up, well and good, but there are a lot of times when the price goes down, even if it goes down from 5 to 4 rupees, it takes a lot of time for the penny stocks to rise up again to what it was. Hence, don't invest in the penny stocks in the share market. Fourth thing which I also want to tell you is, you will be seeing a lot of YouTube ads coming in between in the YouTube itself, saying that I was sitting at home and I earned 50,000 rupees per month by just trading from a mobile at the comfort of my home without much effort. Okay, and they will also lure you to invest and put your money and earn a lot of big amounts by just staying at your home. So don't fall for these ads. We don't know what is happening at the behind, what is the risk element, and without knowing about what are these companies, and just because somebody is giving an ad, don't just fall prey to ads which you see in the social media also. So because why these things are important, because stock market is not like a casino or gambling. You cannot make overnight bumper lottery in the stock market. Please try to understand that. You need a lot of knowledge, patience and understanding, and only over a long period of time you can make good money in the stock market. And more important than making money is that you should not lose the money which you have made in the stock market. So be careful that you don't lose your money because of all this spam and fraudsters which are operating in the stock market. So I hope now you understood what you should avoid when you are investing in the stock market. Thank you.